Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone to our latest video tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to download your students' LMS scores from Cambridge. Alright, so log into your Cambridge website, then scroll down to your class, click on it, then you will see the following screen. At the top right corner, go to Actions, click on Download Report, and then click on Class Summary. Okay. Right, a zip file will appear from downloading, so click on it to open it up. And what you want to do is you want to save the following report here: digital workbook with video summary report. Alright, you need to make sure you rename it with the campus and section. For example, AA Abir Ali, section 24, listening speaking, book 1, semester 1, okay, and so on for reading and writing. Okay, don't rename it with your name, but rename it with your class section, because you will need to upload this spreadsheet file to the Google form link that we will provide you in the email, as well as we'll show you how you need to enter the scores into Oasis. So if you click on it, you'll get the name of all the students in your class, but the most important thing that you need to get is the score from here, where it says number of, which is really number of activities completed. This is the number that you will enter into Oasis for the students. Okay, we will calculate it automatically into Oasis afterwards to percentages, and remember 80% or higher will become full marks. So just all you have to worry about is when you enter the student ID number, just enter the number of activities completed, and we will adjust the scores accordingly. Alright, so remember, this is the most important thing that you enter into Oasis. Okay, an email will be sent out shortly with instructions how to enter the scores into Oasis. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I hope this was beneficial. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.